What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pickett Build. Let's get back to work on this trailer. In the last episode, we raptor lined all of this stuff. And it's been weeks now. It's time for reassembly. Let's get to work. Alright guys, as you can see here behind me, I've got this tailgate hanging from some eye bolts here, and I'm just using ratchet straps. I use those to get it off of the table. Now we're going to roll the trailer underneath and see if we can't lower this down right onto the trailer. That's the plan. Alright guys, we've got the bed back on the trailer. Not everything is completely bolted in yet. I'm going to make a few adjustments here and there. I just set this toolbox here just to kind of get a look and just test fitting this to see how it's going to go up here in front. And a couple things I've already discovered. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, as we're getting a little closer here, you can see the tongue sticking out. And my fear is that, of course, once we hook this up to the back of the 4Runner or any vehicle, that we start turning too sharp and boom, we're going to run into this corner here. And so those angles don't seem to be very good. Now my plan is, we'll see what those angles are. We're going to hook this up and take a test fit here. And I'm probably going to have to extend this somehow and move this out maybe about a foot and figure out a way to reinforce that to where we get a little better turning angles. But I like how that toolbox looks right there. I think that's a great fit and finish. And then we just have to get the trailer lights and wiring all hooked up, and that's the next stage to get this thing road legal. So, a couple things that we need to assess here, but we are making a lot of progress on this trailer. We're almost to a point to where it is actually usable. Just need to hook up the trailer lights. I'm going to have to run a wiring harness and get all that hooked up so we have lights, brake lights and all that. But other than that, just going to finish bolting everything down. I'm going to experiment with how to get this toolbox mounted on there as well. And other than that, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Until next time. Functional now. We've got some brand new tail lights to go in. I do plan on painting this plastic edge black. this trim piece or whatever, and then we're going to get these installed as well.